Today with HeatStream on tour, we are at the SMS Technology Days. At the end of April, we attended the SMS Group's Technology Days green strip processing as part of HeatStream on tour. In addition to the engaging presentations, the in-depth discussions during the breaks, and the tour of SMS Elotern, we took advantage of the event to speak with Mr. Markus Jaenecke and Dr. Holger Behrens about electrothermal processes. Here I have Mr. Markus Jaenecke, and as we can see, it's packed full. I think I heard that we have 30 customers here. What do customers tell you what they want to see in the technology that you design, that you produce?
Everybody would like to be fossil free in production, and that is one of the major targets. But also the electrical heating of strip also provides technological advantages. We can keep in a much more precise way the temperature, and that is also makes it possible to create less wear, so that we have a higher yield in the production and a better product at the end. What we believe is to combine both, to combine quality in production, energy saving and CO2 reduction. We have electric heating of strip in place in annealing sections. For example, in our bright annealing lines, we are using electric energy to anneal the strip, and that is since more than 30 years in place. And at this time, nobody was talking about CO2 reduction. So that is a pure technological advantage we are using there. Electric arc furnaces are furnaces where you can melt scrap, and then you add only some parts which are missing or to alloy it to a correct content for the new product. And with that we are also very successful on the market. So the mini mill concept in the US, like Big River Steel for example, is working on that basis.
Big River Steel is one of the first companies that was awarded the Responsible Steel certification.
The certification was our site, I have to say. It starts with the EAF and goes down to the continuous galvanizing line with all the processes in between. And this was awarded to the complete process chain.
So what would you say is the main statement that anybody should take away from this Technology Day for Green Strip?
That we are here at SMS, we are prepared to serve our customers with the latest technologies, and that we give the answers to the future demands and requests.
Now I have here Mr. Holger Behrens with me, and the first question I have is, what is SMS Group's strategy for the upcoming years?
Yeah, so SMS Group is divided in upstream, which means all around direct reduction, steel reduction, blast furnace, and downstream. And we are here for downstream, which means all the plate and sheet production. And there's our strategy that we are basically going for electrification, not burning hydrogen, because the colleagues of metallurgy, for the direct reduction, they need the hydrogen for the chemical process. So we are more focusing then on electrification and being more flexible with induction and electrical heating.
Are there other reasons why you say the future is electrical and not just gas-based?
Yeah, I think if there are biogases, it's a very good alternative. We see this with our customers as well. If they have resources of biogas, maybe up north for wood and other things, but normally the amount of gas you need or the amount of heat is so huge that you need big power, that you need a lot of gas to burn, and therefore it will be mostly fossil gas.
You've been with SMS Group for almost 30 years. In all those years you must have seen a spectacle of new technologies. What would you say is the biggest new technology that you have witnessed in your time at SMS Group?
If I look to my field, which is downstream, which is working with flat and sheets and strip, I would say the integrated strip production, which means the C-speed technology. Developed more than 30 years ago to make a very efficient and cost-effective simple steel production is nowadays the key for the production of high efficient, energy optimized steel is developed further over the decades, and nowadays it's up-to-date technology, and with the Nexus plant at JSW Dolvi, we have the widest, the biggest and the most efficient plant what we can imagine.
And my last question is, what would you say is the most important statement that all the people who are here today should take home with them?
I think at the end, if you go out tonight, the most important message is that we have solutions to avoid fossil gases, fossil fuels, burning of fossil energy. So we have flexibility, we have very interesting technologies to increase production, to optimize production, and via electrification to reduce CO2 emissions directly in the scope 1.